Hello kids, today we will draw a cute ice cream. So let's start. Draw a line, like this. Then draw a vertical line, and draw a big curved line. Again draw a line, and make some bite marks. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw the stick of ice cream. Well done, it's looking very delicious. Now draw a line in lower part, like this. Draw another line on above in same distance. Look, we draw 3 layers of ice cream. To make it more cute, let's draw the eye of ice cream. Draw a big circle and slowly fill black color. Just do up and down, and it's done. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Just 2 is enough. Now let's draw the other eye. Do the same thing. First draw a big circle to slowly fill the color. Just do up and down, and it's done. It's very easy to draw, so click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Just 2 is enough. Lastly, draw a cute, happy smile. Look, the ice cream is looking very happy. Lastly, draw a big and cute heart. Just draw like me, and it's done. Well done, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use sky blue color on upper layer. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Color the outline, and slowly fill the color. Don't color on the eyes. Color the outline, and slowly fill the color. It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use orange color in middle part. If you color the outline first, you will not make any mistake. Make sure not to color on the outline. You can also use different colors you like. You know what? I love orange color. But you can use different color you want. If you can't color it, ask someone to help you. Well done, it's looking very great. Now let's color the last part. Again, use sky blue color and slowly fill the color. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color very carefully on bite part of ice cream. Just do left and right and it's done. It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, use brown color on ice cream stick. Color the outline and slowly fill the color. Well done, we almost complete the drawing. Now use red color on heart. You can also use different colors you like. Color very carefully and don't make any mistake. Slowly fill the color and it will look very beautiful. To make the ice cream more shiny, use white color. Make some highlights on sides. Use white color and don't color on the outline. Just draw some lines like this. Now use white color on orange part also. Lastly, draw circles on the eye. Draw a big circle on both eyes. Don't forget to draw highlights on heart. Draw some small curved line and it's done. Look, we complete the drawing. Look how delicious it's looking. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my kid cartoon channel.